law and order are the medicine of the body politic. And when the body politic gets sick, medicine must be administered. This profound words by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar beautifully captures the essence of law, that it is not a mere concept of dealing with punishment, but it also is a means of healing society when it is afflicted by injustice. Good afternoon, everyone, respected dignitaries and my dear audience. I am Sabika Chaudhary from BLLB first semester, and today I am very privileged to speak on a topic that lies at the heart of our profession, the prospect and challenges of legal profession in contemporary India. The legal profession is often described as a noble one, and rightly so. Its nobility lies not in wealth or prestige, but in its ability. The legal profession is often described as a noble one, and it rightly so. It deals with not only wealth or prestige, but in its purpose of upholding justice, dealing with truth, and defending the weak. A lawyer is not only an interpreter of law or a speaker in the court. A lawyer is a guardian of constitutional values, a defender of the truth, and a voice for the voiceless. In a democratic and diverse country like India, equality and liberty are the core of our constitution, and people often depend on lawyers to safeguard their rights. So this only increases the demand for responsible and ethical lawyers. The concept of lawyer is very popular in India, not just to deal with the cases, but also for upholding justice. As we all know, the lawyers are the guardians of constitutional values, so we must also believe, as our society is evolving through ages, there is a demand for responsible lawyers. And with this, the legal professionals are also depending on various fields, and they are stepping outside of the courtroom and are talking about and are dealing in places where they are indulging in situations of NGOs, government bodies, legal policies, and also education. However, the concept of legal profession is not only bounded for the advantages, it also has its challenges. One of the major challenges is that there are thousands of backlogs of pending cases in our Indian courts, and that often leads to people losing their trust in the legal system. Another thing is, young lawyers are facing several difficulties in their initial processes, and that includes financial instability, intense competition, and limited opportunities. Another backlash of this is that the legal profession includes the media trials are increasing every day, and that also reduces the public opinion also before the courts do. At the end of this script, I would like to include that as a young law student, I might not be able to make a change in the system today, but I do have the vision in my mind that I want to contribute to this society in a better way. Thank you.